My name is David Schmidt. I am from the Dallas area, but I've been in the Plano area for the last 12 years. This was our first experience with CW Pros. We had noticed that there were quite a few fuzzies of dust throughout the house, and the AC unit appeared to be working harder than it should based on the electric bill. So took a glance into the vents in the ceiling and noticed that they were extremely dirty. So called out CW to take a look. They did a very thorough job of cleaning all the vents, the wall vents, the ceiling vents, from the house and from the attic. We noticed an immediate difference. The air just felt lighter, felt cleaner. They were great. They showed up on time. They were very courteous, kind of step-by-step instructions of what they were going to be going through. They worked around our schedule and no complaints whatsoever. I would strongly recommend CW to friends and family. They did a great job, and I'm sure they do a great job for them as well.